Hey everybody, and welcome back to Faceless Labs. Evan and Alex here, and today we are so excited to dive into a product that is changing the game for consumer crypto, making Web3 as easy as Web2, and even better, one of our friends made it. So, Alex, should we tell them a little about the story and then get right into it?
I think so.
Okay, cool. This is a product built by our friend Mike, Machiste, for anybody who watches the morning show. Built this on Base. It started out as a frame on Warpcast, a post with an app you could interact with to do stuff on chain. And it came from this idea, what if buying tokens was as easy as buying products from your favorite Shopify, Etsy, or eBay store? And so the Base token store was born. I think it's an awesome user experience. I think it's going to do a lot to help bring everyday people who don't want to have to fuss with all this weird crypto stuff into the fun and also the possibility of what blockchain can do. So, Alex, do you have any other thoughts, or do you want to just pull it right up and show people what's going on?
No, I think we just jump right into a little quick demo. I think you guys are going to be surprised at how easy this is. This is kind of the stuff that Evan and I look for when we talk about things that we like to see being added and built inside of Web3, things that legitimately make the user's life simpler rather than just doing something that adds a whole bunch of hurdles that people have to jump over in order to get, at the end of the day, a relatively mediocre experience. So that's why I'm excited about this. And for a tiny bit of background, Mike is someone that we've known for a while. And fun fact, I actually met him completely unrelated through my work with the dog rescue. And he, through his another project that he works with on Ethereum called Pawthereum, facilitated a pretty sizable donation. And he was actually the first person through Pawthereum to donate crypto to the dog rescue. And this was 2 years ago, maybe even more at this point. So it was really cool to circle back and connect with him again about some of the new stuff he's working on. And of course, as Evan and I always say, this video is not sponsored by the Base Token Store. We just really like Mike and think he built something cool, and this is worth highlighting. So, Evan, unless you have anything else, I think we just jump right into a little demo of this thing and show how it works.
I'm ready to see it. I'm absolutely ready to see it.
There you
go. My timing was off, sorry.
It's all right. We'll fix it in post.
Yeah, perfect.
We absolutely won't, but if I say that now, it makes me feel better.
Yeah, sorry, everybody.
Okay, yeah, spoiler alert, we're not going to fix that in post.
Just look at this gorgeous website, though. Already, I like it.
And so this link right here is actually a special link that Mike sent me earlier today just to sort of demo this new affiliate and referral program that he's kind of working on. We'll talk about that in a second. It's not a feature that's live or anything like that yet. So if you see this refer a friend thing, just note that is a feature that I understand is currently in development. But as you can see, I have a wallet connected here. This is just using my Coinbase smart wallet. And I put a little bit of ETH in just for the purpose of this demonstration. And all I'm going to do is show you how easy it is to buy a token. Now, obviously, I'm not making any recommendations about what to buy or how much to buy. This is purely for educational and demo purposes. You can do whatever you want. You're going to do whatever you want. I'm just going to show you exactly how quick this is. And if you've ever purchased a token on a DEX before, I think that you'll have at least a little bit of context to the hurdles that Mike has removed in building this experience. So let's go ahead and just pick Brett, something we've all heard of here, and add it to the cart, or try to.
And Alex, while you're doing that, let me say, we've all heard of is what Alex does, but this is the time, if you're watching this as a crypto person, this is the kind of product you could share with your friends that you're telling about crypto tokens so they could buy it without even needing to know what Brett is. It's that easy and simple. And if you're one of those people, somebody sent you this video, welcome. The future is here and it's easy. So please continue, Alex. Show them. It's like a shopping cart.
It's a good point. And for those who don't know, Brett is just a meme coin that's built on Base. So buying this is the same thing as me walking into a casino and pulling the lever on a slot machine. That's all I'm doing. So I also wanted to see how this works. You'll notice Lovable Paws Rescue right up here at the top. So we're going to go ahead and
So this is a donate at checkout feature. He's already got that shipped.
This is a donate at checkout feature that he's already got integrated. And
this thing is what, like a month old, and already it's better than most crypto websites that we've been to that have been here for years.
If that. So I'm going to donate $5 to our dog rescue as well.
Oh yeah.
In the words of Mike, if you've got $5 to spend on a shitcoin, you've got $5 to send to a dog rescue. So we're going to give that a shot. And all right, so let's hit checkout. And now I think I can share this. So this is my checkout here.
Perfect.
So Evan,
perfect. Okay. No secret information there.
Nope. So yeah, you can see here that I'm signing with, this is my wallet address, and I'm also paying out of this wallet. I'm using the Base network. Here is something really cool. So right now, the Base token store is sponsoring the gas. So I'm actually not going to pay a single penny for the transaction fee to give this a shot. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, solving a big pain point for a lot of users on blockchain when they, for the first time, send a token, get hit with that big gas fee. No more. Wow, it's fast too. Dang.
So
okay, so can you show us where it appeared in your wallet, or maybe we could do that later?
The cool thing about all of this, and the fact that this is on Base, and also in the theme of things that we're removing as barriers to entry from using Web3 tools like this token store, you can do all of this with just a Coinbase account. There's no need to deal with all of the, remembering your 24 words and writing this down and backing up this or that or whatever. This is just, I've made an account with Coinbase that I've had for years. Now using the new Coinbase Smart Wallet, I just quick generated a wallet and plugged it into this, and I sent a little bit of ETH from my Coinbase account over to the wallet.
But if you weren't Alex and you didn't have ETH on hand, you could fund this with a credit card in about 3 clicks.
Exactly, yeah.
It's designed to be the kind of product that would onboard somebody who has never used crypto before, who's familiar with using an internet browser, who's familiar with email. And in fact, I do believe you can register for a Coinbase wallet with just an email address.
I believe so.
And also just a quick correction. I said Coinbase wallet. The Coinbase wallet and the Coinbase Smart Wallet are 2 different products that integrate with each other. And like Alex said, we could do a deeper dive on this, but what you need to know now is that they are both easy to use. The Smart Wallet is the easiest to use and integrate feature, whether you're a super crypto maxi or a person who's just hearing about this for the first time. And like Alex said, this show is not sponsored by Coinbase or Base, but maybe it could be so.
Should be. So just before we wrap this up here, obviously there's more than just these few tokens that are shown. You can use this to do to interact with any of the tokens that are launched on Base. And actually, NFTs are integrated as well. So if there are collections that are minted on Base that you're curious about or that you would like to shop for, you can do that through the token store as well. So just as an example, here's the Base punks, but you can go ahead and scan for all different kinds, a couple different ways to sort. And of course, all of this is still sort of under construction, but for a few weeks old, a month old, I think this is looking pretty sweet.
Yeah, just again for context, this is by Mike, who has some experience, but doesn't do this with a big team of people. He built this by himself for fun as a project to learn and experiment. Then after he got it off the ground, he shared it on Warpcast, which is a decentralized social media on Base network. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, saw it, thought it was cool, retweeted it. He's continued to receive feedback from people like us, other people in the ecosystem, and is really doing, I think, a fantastic job to make a great product that will be easy for everyday people to use, that you can check out while it's fresh right now. Opportunities like this only exist in blockchain. So way to go, Mike. And when Coinbase is ready to write you an acquisition check, I hope you remember the little people at the Rise Up Morning Show, and then come hang out with us, or at least let us swim in the pool.
I'm excited to see where it's going to go from here. Like I said, we've been following Mike's progress for a while. I have absolutely no doubt he's going to continue to do cool things inside of the Web3 verse. And I'm excited to someday say, hey, I used to know that guy.
So if this is something that you're interested in, we have got the links in the comments, including the link to the token store, the base token store. We've got the link to all of Mike's social profiles. And of course, if you want to hang out with him, you should join the Rise Up Morning Show or the Discord community. That's in the comments too. You can find it at the riseupmorningshow.com. Anybody can learn about this crypto stuff, but it does take a little bit of experience to know where to look, where to go, how to avoid the scams and schemes. And I would just invite you, the best way to do that is to join a group of people. Why not join the fine folks over at the Rise Up Morning Show? It's totally free to join the community. Alex is there, I'm there, Mike is there. We would love to have you and help you find the spot in this space that you're interested in. And who knows, maybe we'll be talking about your product next time, right, Alex?
No, absolutely. I would say, this extends to more than just the people that we know now. I would love to hear if you guys are building something that's cool, something new. I don't care how fringe or experimental it is or in what early stage of testing it is. If you'd like someone else to put eyes on it and get you some early users, just say the word, let us know. We love talking about cool stuff being built in Web3. So
absolutely.
And
I can't wait to see what they bring us. So my friends, stay tuned for another video. Join us in the community. And until next time, everybody, rise up.